Welcome to Hexing Smart Grid Solutions. In here, I will be talking about the meters that we have for the Kenyan market and for other markets in the African continent. The first type of meter is what we call the split DIN rail meter, the HXP 100D2. That's a split prepayment meter whereby you have the CIU aside and the MCU aside, what we call the meter. The second one is what we call the integrated meter, prepayment meter. So this is the HXC 115 KP. It's an integrated meter, meaning the keypad or the CIU is built in the meter itself. The third one is what we call the HXC 130 smart meter. It's a smart meter because it has what we call the communication module. It could be the GSM, the GPRS, it could be the RF, it could be the PLC, or nowadays what we call the NB-IoT. So these are smart meter, meaning it's some meter that you can program, you can read, you can control from your laptop at work at home, and is a two-way communication gadget. This is the three-phase of this. It is the HXC 310 meter, also a smart prepayment postpayment meter. Then we have what we call the CNI meters, commercial industrial meters. In Kenya we call them the large power meters. We have the HXT 300, very popular, 100% to date of all KPLC CNI meters, large power meters are metered using this meter. Then we have the newest on the block is the HXF 300 meter. This is also a large power meter, a CTPT operated meter. What do we mean by CTPT? When the currents exceed a certain value in Kenya, 100 amps, we have to transform that current to a small measurable quantity. So a current transformer picks maybe 100 amps coming through a primary coil and transforms it to maybe 5 amps, which is smaller and measurable, and that can be put in a meter safely for measurement reasons. So these are CTPT meters, so current transformer and potential transformer. The same case when we talk about the voltage transformer. When we have voltages like 11,000 volts, 33,000, 132, 66, and 220, we really cannot take those cables at 11,000 volts and put them in this meter. You just destroy the meter and even burn yourself and kill yourself. So we have to transform those voltages to measurable, safer values of 110 normally. So this is what we call the potential transformer that, scales down or transforms down that big voltage to a smaller voltage. So that's why we have the CTPT meters. So these are used for large power industrials, customer, and they can also be used for what we call feeder meters and something else called the boundary meters.